Creating professional looking video every single time is like jumping a car. Watch this. Oh. You see, that's just as simple as it gets. Oh my God. Oh. Are you okay? Are you okay? Are you okay? Hey guys, relax. This is all part of the video. I'm not gone.
We thought you are gone.
Oh! Did you see what I just did right there? I just hit you with a surprise element, and that is one of the major things you need to do if you really want to keep your audience watching every single time. You weren't too sure where the car was coming from, and this has absolutely nothing to do with the type of camera you are using. This little technique would make sure that your videos would be very engaging and your audience would always want to keep watching. Tip number 2 is to use a tripod. Nothing sounds amateur like having very shaky footage. Take a look at shot A and shot B. Which of these two would you want to watch? The fact about stable shot is that it keeps your audience very focused on what you want them to see every single time. But like everything art, some people can purposefully sometimes choose to just shake their camera just for aesthetic reasons. But keep it in mind that not all shakes are created equal. There's a difference between this shake and this type of shakes. One is called micro jitters and the other one is intentionally made just to draw your audience in. As beginners, let's stick to just creating very stable shots. Stability is great, but sometimes you just need to add some form of movement to your shot in order to make it look very cinematic. And to do that, you need a very special tool called a gimbal. Something like this. This is called a gimbal, and these days, these things are very easy to pick up. You can pick them up in your local stores for very cheap prices. You can use this to add some simple push-ins, push-outs, and even simulate some form of crane shots and all that. So adding this makes your shot feels very professional and well thought out. Did I get you there? Were you expecting something big? Sometimes making great videos is all about surprising your audience. Make sure they are not able to predict your next move. Make sure to also surprise your audience with very unusual angles. Angles that an ordinary person on a normal day wouldn't even think of at all. This is just a little opening in this tree, and I've decided to place the camera right in there to record this shot. And that takes me to another extra layer about thinking about very interesting compositions. Placing the camera here gives me an opportunity to do something we call a frame within a frame. So you're watching me through a frame right now, and then through this circumference, which is also another frame. Placing people within certain frames invokes curiosity, and that keeps your audience hooked and keep them watching every single time. And this helps to make your videos very cinematic. So the next time you pick up a camera to shoot a video, just take a moment and think about what is the most unusual place where I can put this camera in to capture something from a very novel angle that people aren't used to seeing. If you inculcate this habit, trust me, you are on your way to creating very professional looking videos, and not just professional looking videos, engaging ones, of course, every single time. So there you have it. These are the ingredients you need every single time to create very engaging, professional looking videos every single time. And if this is your first time of seeing my face, welcome to the Africa Amaze channel. Over here, I do talk about cinematography, photography, editing, and all its related branches. And please do make sure that you click on the like button, because that goes a long way in helping other people discover this channel right here on YouTube. I'm staggered by your generosity. And the fact that this is my last video of the year 2024, I know for a fact that I've not been very regular on this channel. I don't post most often because I'm a full-time filmmaker and I have to combine so many things. But hey, you guys are awesome. You've always stuck here with me, and you always show up anytime I drop awesome content right here from the continent of Africa. And I am overjoyed and gladly staggered by your generosity. I couldn't meet my target of 20,000 subscribers in 2024, but I do hope that by mid-2025, this channel should have already crossed 20,000 subscribers. And it's not by my might, but by you, the awesome audience who subscribe to this channel every single time. And I want to use this opportunity to thank my awesome crew, Playboy, Sam, Kroyuto, Sisu, and all those awesome guys who have been behind this channel, who always shoot me and help me to create awesome content every single time. Thank you so much for watching, and once again, I would catch you in the year 2025 when I bring you very awesome stuff. And soon! Oops. I hope nothing has happened to the camera. I was just afraid that a snake or something would take it away. Oh my goodness. Crazy stuff, guys. That's what we do for YouTube. Make sure to subscribe for this.